Howdy folks, Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at bonuses360.com with my review, demo, and bonuses for the launch of Email CopyDyno. Now, Email CopyDyno is the newest launch by Cindy Donovan in conjunction with developer Neil Napier, who's also a super affiliate. So with Neil backing the technicals of Email CopyDyno, we know we can rest assured that this is a rock solid digital product. Email CopyDyno launches this morning, October the 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and is going to help us promotional marketers and affiliate marketers write emails in any niche. Okay, I'm here in the members area of Email CopyDyno, and if you always wanted to fire your copywriter, this is your opportunity. Email CopyDyno, you get a chance to write 9 different types of emails. List nurturing, webinar emails, affiliate promotion emails, which if you're an affiliate or promotional marketer, you'll love this. Cart abandonment emails, re-engagement emails, discount offer emails, product launch, business-to-business cold emails, JV invitation emails, soap opera sequences. It also comes with commercial rights, so you can sell these services and make hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching as I dive into the launch of Email CopyDyno. We're going to review the launch pricing and packages that the developer has put together for us as well. I put together a really cool package of free custom bonuses for you folks so you can get the most out of Email CopyDyno and start making money with it right away. And the vendor has thrown in over $2,000 worth of free training included during the launch period of Email CopyDyno. On my bonus page, and we're on my bonus page now, I've also included a overview and demo video for Email CopyDyno so you could set up your first campaign fast and start making money right away. So in just 3 easy steps, in less than 5 minutes, you could set up a 5 email sequence that is congruent and on message in any niche. So Email CopyDyno is going to let you, within 5 minutes and 3 simple steps, write emails for any niche. On the front end, Email CopyDyno is $47, and for $47, you can access the powerful software, as well as all the training modules, my free cool custom bonuses, and all those vendor bonuses, simply for a front-end cost of $47. Now, there's no copywriting skills needed. There are 9 different types of email series that you can write, and you can save these series as well so that if you want to write a similar series in the future, then you can do that. Now, Email CopyDyno has proven to get a massive increase in click and open rates as well as sales rates. Easy to use, it's completely beginner friendly. And with the front end, you get commercial license rights, so you could sell these services. And also on the front end, you get to access unlimited, perfectly crafted email sequences. At any time during my YouTube video review, to access Email CopyDyno and all of the bonuses, simply click on the link down below this YouTube video in the description section. It's just down below, and it says access Email CopyDyno and all of the bonuses. When you do that, it'll bring you here to my bonus page, and that's where we're at right now, is on my bonus page. Now, if you've arrived on my bonus page via an email link that I sent you, great, you're in the right place. At any time when you're ready to make your purchase for Email CopyDyno, simply scroll up or scroll down, click on these blue buttons, and it'll take you right through to the sales page and the secure checkout on the JVZoo platform. You'll want to do that though before this countdown timer runs down to 0, because when it does, it indicates that the launch period has ended. All of the launch packages and pricing that we'll review here in just a minute, as well as all my free cool custom bonuses and the vendor bonuses, they're all going to disappear when that countdown timer runs down to 0. Now, I did spend a lot of time putting together this free cool custom bonus package for you so you can get the most out of Email CopyDyno and hit the ground running, start making money right away. Let's get a look at those free cool custom bonuses now. Okay, bonus number 1 is the secret weapon, access full training modules. Okay, Okay, we're here inside the members area of the secret weapon, and this includes all of the tools of the trade that you're going to need. Picking the right offer, crafting your free course freebie, which is a lead magnet. So you're going to give away a lead magnet in lieu of potential buyers' contact information, their email address, and their name. Creating your perfect thank you page, overview of a special opt-in page, retargeting pixels for both Facebook and for Google, putting together your email follow-up sequence. So basically everything that you're going to need as an affiliate, as a promotional marketer, you get inside of the secret weapon membership area. Free traffic from Facebook, an introduction to solo ads, which is inexpensive paid traffic, getting traffic with Bing ads, which is inexpensive laser targeted paid traffic for as little as 3 cents to 13 cents a click with Bing ads. Congruency, conclusion, setting up click magic tracking to track the different offers, affiliate offers that you have out there. And then there's a live case study here, how to make $255 per day in affiliate and promotional marketing. Okay, so that is the secret weapon. Bonus number 2 is access comprehensive email marketing training. This is about an hour-long email marketing training, and it talks about follow-up series and congruency and setting up your autoresponder. So if this is something you've been putting off for a while, now's the time to do it because these are included free. If you pick up Email CopyDyno via my affiliate link, which is just down below in the description section, or click on any of these blue buttons, and you'll get all of these bonuses with your purchase of Email CopyDyno. All right, bonus number 3 is Gemini Pro. Access Gemini Pro 3-in-1 software and traffic training. So this Gemini Pro is so powerful that I like to include a recap so you can read this in your own time because Gemini Pro is going to help you set the foundation of your promotional marketing business, your affiliate marketing. You're making money online, you're working from home business, 8 times the open rate if you include video in your email, and you can do that with the email toolbox here that's included with Gemini Pro. Training is also included to set up all of these different softwares, as well as list building training, traffic training, and email training for your campaigns. So super powerful. That's Gemini Pro. Bonus number 4 is access headlines that sell training. Now this is training that I gave to my students. How you know if you're creating a good email campaign is if you've got good headlines that convert, and this bonus number 4 will help you to get up to speed with that. Bonus number 5 is access all of the vendor bonuses. The vendor's given me bonuses to give to you folks, and you can get those, and you'll be able to claim those bonuses in the members area. Okay, vendor bonus number 1 is the commercial license is included. So what this license does is it allows you to use Email CopyDyno in your own business, and you can sell these services for between $250 to $500 per series, and it'll only take you less than 5 minutes to set up a series. Okay, that's vendor bonus number 1. Vendor bonus number 2 is a special live training event. It's a 60 to 90 minute live training experience that you can join the developers online, and Neil Napier is going to go and take a deep dive into how to use Email CopyDyno to generate thousands and thousands of dollars. He'll also share with you the insider strategies on how to generate 100 leads a day completely organically. And he'll show you the exact methods that he's using in order to convert those leads into high ticket sales. Even if you don't even own the product, it's not a problem at all. That's why we're promotional marketers, affiliate marketers, because we sell other people's products. Okay, so that gives you a couple of things to look forward to. Those are the vendor bonuses valued at over $2,000. So at any time when you're ready to make your purchase for Email CopyDyno, simply scroll up or scroll down, click on any of these blue buttons, and it'll take you right through to the sales page and secure checkout on the JVZoo platform. You'll want to do that though before the countdown timer runs down to 0, because when it does, that signifies that the launch period is ended. All of my bonuses are going to disappear, and all of this launch pricing special is going to disappear on you, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. Let's get a look at the sales page now. Okay, we're here on the sales page. Email CopyDyno makes sales online for products that you don't even own in 3 easy steps.
Wait,
So Email CopyDyno is a secret email tool, and it writes buyer getting copy in any niche and style automatically for you. And really in about 5 minutes or less, it'll write a series of emails, a 5-sequence series of emails in just a couple of easy steps. So Email CopyDyno auto writes powerful, high converting emails. No copywriting skills are needed. There's 9 different email types that are included: affiliate promotions, re-engagement, business to business, webinars, product launches, and more. Custom created in just a few minutes by answering a few simple questions. You can save those responses as well and pull up that template for later. Fire your copywriter. I love that. Have any kind of email written for you exactly how you want it and when you need it. Our software has been tested and proven to get massive open rates, clicks, and sales. Works perfectly in any and all niches for all target audiences. Easy to use and completely beginner friendly, even if you hate writing. Unlimited, perfectly crafted, complete email sequences, and it comes with commercial licenses included, even on the front end, so that you can sell those services and start making money right away. Go ahead and do your due diligence on this sales page. 3 easy steps in less than 5 minutes. Almost any kind of email that you need. There are testimonials here on the sales page. There's income proof. There's a lot here, but go ahead and just in your own time, go ahead and review that sales page. And then when you're ready to make your purchase, just click on these blue buttons at any time and it'll take you through to the secure checkout on the JVZoo platform. Let's get a look at what that looks like now so you know what to expect. Once you log onto your JVZoo platform, just come up and click on the top right-hand button here. It says looking for your purchases. Just click on that and it'll take you through to your receipt page that looks just like this. Click on the green button. You'll be able to access your Email CopyDyno, and click on the blue button and you'll get immediate access to all my free cool custom bonuses, and the vendor bonuses will be in the members area. Okay, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching my review. It's always so special to have you here with me. I encourage you then to access your bonuses now and then dive straight into Email CopyDyno. The combination of my bonuses and this product are going to get you making money right away in your affiliate marketing, in your promotional marketing business. And don't forget the vendor bonus. Go ahead and sign up for that live webinar, because Neil Napier and the developers are going to run you through how they're making money in their business and getting 100 leads per day organically. So super powerful. I look forward to hearing of your successes. And remember this, my friends, that specialized knowledge with consistent action lead to huge gains over time. Cheers to your success. Okay, let's get a look at that sales funnel now and see what the developers have brought to the table for this launch of Email CopyDyno. Okay, so what is Email CopyDyno? It's the #1 email writing tool in the world right now. Email marketing remains the cheapest and most effective method for marketing online, bringing you a 33-to-1 return. For every dollar that you spend on email marketing, you get a $33 return. That's huge. Unfortunately, most people suck at writing emails that convert, and hiring copywriters doesn't come cheap. All of the bonuses that I've given you, the secret weapon, comprehensive email marketing training, Gemini Pro, headlines that convert. Now, these bonuses will support your promotional marketing, your email marketing business, okay? So those in conjunction with Email CopyDyno come to solve those challenges. With this amazing tool, even newbies can write high converting email sequences in minutes by just answering a few questions. Now you can save those responses as well for writing sequences later to save you time. It's easy to use software that writes almost any kind of email that you need, including entire autoresponder sequences in just a few minutes. And the front end comes with unlimited usage. Create a ton of emails for a special promotion that you're running, or use Email CopyDyno to build out complex onboarding emails. Works to build powerful email sequences in virtually any niche. Now, the commercial license is included even on the front end. You can use the software to sell these services to other folks that need email sequences and cash in. On the front end, email CopyDyno is $47, and for $47, you can access the powerful software as well as all the training modules, my free cool custom bonuses, and all those vendor bonuses simply for a front end cost of $47. Now for $47, you're going to be able to build the foundation of your email marketing business. And email marketing is going to be the foundation of your online business. I don't know anywhere else where you can build the foundation of your business for just $47. So in my book, that's kind of a no-brainer. Okay, OTO number 1 is Email CopyDyno Club plus VideoDyno. Now there are several options that the developers have packaged up together without any distractions, and with a pen and a piece of paper, go through their sales funnel so that it's clear what all these different options are. But from what I understood, option number 1, $67. Now for $67, you get autoresponder integration to automatically send emails created to your email autoresponder. Unlock the ability to refresh already created emails so that you can just simply go in and update them. You can refresh and rebuild those emails for an entirely new version and then save those for future reference. You can export your emails to PDFs and doc format. Additional email styles. Now the developers are going to add additional styles in the future. So you'll be able to automatically unlock those new styles of email, including soap opera type email series. Plus, you're also going to be able to access the sister site, which is VideoDyno. So VideoDyno on its own was $47, and you'll be able to unlock all these additional new features and VideoDyno. So that's quite a value for $67. Okay, OTO number 2 is Email CopyDyno Done For You. Now this is either $197 per year, $27 a month, or a one-time fee of $47. You'll have to go through and just see what's right for you. But basically, Email CopyDyno Done For You comes with, you'll be able to access Convert Commission's 70 plus completely done for you, hosted and managed affiliate marketing funnels. You'll be able to access 70 done for you funnels here with OTO number 2. Super fast setups. Simply add your affiliate links to any of those 70 plus done for you funnels. Now you'll be able to activate ready-made list building funnels in a wide variety of niches, ongoing done for you affiliate promotions. So as the developer adds new promotions, you'll be able to access those. You'll be able to customize any of these promotions or emails in just a few clicks. Connect your autoresponder and automatically have the leads added to your autoresponder. OTO number 3 is Email Dyno Autoresponder. It's $47. So if you don't have an autoresponder already, then you'll be able to access Email Dyno's autoresponder for $47 on a one-time fee. OTO number 4 is Email CopyDyno Cookbook. It's $27. Custom created training video series goes deeper into more advanced strategies for using Email CopyDyno. At any time during my video review, to access Email CopyDyno and all of my free cool custom bonuses, as well as the vendor bonuses, over $2,000 worth of training in those vendor bonuses, simply scroll up or scroll down, click on these blue buttons, it'll take you through to the sales page and secure checkout on the JVZoo platform. Okay, let's wrap things up now. Here are some of the key benefits that you may be interested in getting. Email CopyDyno auto writes powerful, high converting emails. There's no copywriting skills that are needed. It gives you 9 different types of emails, including affiliate promotions, re-engagement emails, business-to-business emails, webinar emails, product launches, and so much more. Custom created in just a few minutes by answering just a few simple questions. You can create a series of 5 emails in less than 5 minutes. Fire your copywriter. I always love that. Have any kind of email written for you exactly how you want it and when you need it. Our software has been tested and proven to get massive open rates, click rates, and sales rates. Works perfectly in any and all niches for all targeted audiences. Easy to use, completely beginner friendly, even if you hate writing. You get unlimited, perfectly crafted, complete email sequences. Commercial license is included so you can sell email sequencing and services for hundreds of dollars. It all comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. When you're ready to make your purchase, simply click on the blue buttons and it'll take you through to secure checkout on the JVZoo platform. Well, as always, I'm super thankful to have you here with me. I'm Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at bonuses360.com. This has been my review, demo, and bonuses for Email CopyDyno. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye-bye.